Hello everyone, glad to have you here. In today's video, we'll explore a simple Windows 10 feature that many users overlook, the Address Toolbar on the Taskbar. This handy tool lets you launch websites directly from your desktop without even opening your browser first. Let's walk through the steps together. First, right-click on any empty space on your Windows taskbar. Next, hover your mouse over the option labeled Toolbars in the context menu that appears. Then, from the Toolbars submenu, click on Address. You'll immediately see a new text field labeled Address appear on the right side of your taskbar. After that, click inside the address box and type a website URL. For example, you can type google.com. Finally, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Your default web browser will open and take you to the website you typed. And that's how you enable and use the Address Toolbar in Windows 10. It's a quick shortcut that improves your workflow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.